Today at the grill, we're combining two of my favorite things, a classic smash burger and some caramelized onions. We'll be making the classic Oklahoma-style fried onion burger. This burger was created when times were tough and people had to stretch their dollar a little further. By shaving onions really thin and then smashing them into that patty, it could really bulk out that hamburger and give you some delicious fried onions at the same time. So let's just get started with the onion. For this burger, you want to slice the onion as thinly as possible. I'm looking for translucent onion ribbons so that they cook quickly with such a thin patty. To accomplish this, I'll use a mandolin to slice them thin. You can find these pretty cheaply online, and I definitely recommend having one around the kitchen. They're a super useful tool. Our spice blend consists of onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and a little bit of cayenne. Then we'll add some kosher salt and a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper. It's a great all-purpose burger seasoning. For the ground beef, I'm using 1 pound of Certified Angus Beef 80% lean ground chuck. I'll divide that total amount into 4 equal portions before forming it into balls. Loosely pack the ground beef when forming the balls. There's no need to overwork the beef, you just want them holding together when they hit the griddle. While preparing everything, I've been preheating a cast iron griddle on top of my charcoal grill. I love cooking burgers this way because the griddle gets super hot and it doesn't leave a mess all over my stovetop. Once you place the beef on the griddle, it's time to top with the sliced onions. Pile up 1/4 of the sliced onion on each ball before smashing them good and thin with a spatula. Press down and slide out when smashing the beef to ensure a nice thin patty. Season well with our burger seasoning while the first side cooks. You can see that these have developed such a beautiful crust in a short amount of time because the griddle got so hot over those coals. Top each patty with the cheese of your choice. I like to use American for how gooey it is and how well it melts. I'll top each burger with the crown of the bun and lean the heel up against it. This allows the bun to steam a little bit and warm through. Stacking the buns this way also makes constructing the whole burger super quick and easy. This burger cooks so quickly, it's a great way to feed a crowd, and you'll look like a burger pro when serving up this delectable burger patty. Now these burgers are totally done, and you can dress them however you like, but I like to top mine with a little bit of mayonnaise and pickle. Look at that. One of my favorite all-time burgers. I just can't wait to get a bite of this. This burger is so good. The way you smash the onions into the patty just creates such great flavor. You get different textures of the onion. There's a little bit crunchy from where it gets fried. There's a little bit of caramelized and a little bit still like undercooked. All the flavors of onion and beef that go so well together. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time.